Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product was sent over by a company called EPICKA, and it is an absolute travel must. So they come in two different colors. They have a beige one and then a dark one. I like the two different colors because my wife uses one and I use another one, and it's very easy to know which one of our clothing is where. But basically, they are going to make packing super, super easy because they're compression packing cubes, and you're going to get 6 different pieces in this set. And as you can see, for storage, all of them are right here in this medium-sized bag, so it makes storage when you're not utilizing it super easy. You can easily put this in a drawer, in the top shelf of the closet, or even hang it with the handle. But once you open it up, you're going to get everything you need. So first off, you're going to get 2 medium sizes. The medium sizes are perfect for all your general clothes, your shirts, your pants, that kind of stuff. And how they work is you're going to load them up, and then you're going to basically zip it closed, and then you're going to push down on it, and then there is a secondary zipper. Just work that around, and it's going to compress and put out all that air, which basically reduces the amount of space in your luggage, so you can fit more in your luggage or bring on smaller luggage, which is absolutely great for travel. But like I said, you're going to get 2 medium-sized ones. Then you are going to get the big boy, which is a nice large size. This is absolutely great if you have any dresses or if you have any jeans. Sweaters work great in this. Any of the bulkier stuff is perfect for the large size. You're also going to get small size. This is great for kind of underwear, panties, socks, that kind of stuff. However, they do have a specific sock one. So that's kind of what I utilize as far as loading this up. It works really, really great. Just one zipper down the middle, which makes it easy to kind of line up your socks in a row so they're not digging it versus kind of the small one. And then they also have like a cosmetic bag in here, which is great as well. So the cosmetic bag, it has kind of a water resistant lining on it. So if you have anything that spills, it's not going to get on any of your other clothes. Now, this is all made out of a nylon material, so it's also very, very lightweight. So it doesn't weigh a lot, which is another nice thing. They all have handles on it. And like I said, we like to travel with 2 different colors, so it makes it easy to know whose is who. You can easily take them out, put in hotel drawers and whatnot, and or hang up if you wish and remove it out of the clothes so it's all nice and ready to go. But absolutely love the set. It is perfect for travel. So if you are in the market and you're looking to make traveling a little bit easier and more organized when it comes to keeping your suitcase under control, these are totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.